Windows, if you installed Git for Windows and you are using Git Bash, then you know Git is installed. On the Mac, it is less obvious, so we need to ask Git for the version in order to confirm that Git is available. Git space version. If Git responds with a version number, then Git is installed. Otherwise, you may need to install Git before proceeding. Git requires 2 bits of information before we can do very much. That is the name and email address. If we don't provide that information, Git will attempt to automatically figure it out. However, I have found this process to be rather unreliable. So let's just take care of it right now. Git space config -- global space user.name space, and in double quotes, just put your name. And then next, we'll do a similar command for the email address. Git space config space -- global space user.email space, and in double quotes, put your email address. Press enter. And now let's confirm. Git space config -- global space -- list. Git should list back your name and email address you entered above.